Hey bodyweight training tribe. If you are looking for a quick and effective workout, then we have you covered. Today, we're hitting the upper body with a 20-minute blast to build strength and stability. You won't need any equipment, just your body weight and determination. We'll be working on pushing, pulling, and core exercises to get you stronger, so let's dive right in. We will focus on the following 5 exercises: push-ups, pull-ups or inverted rows, dips, push-up to plank and Superman hold. The upper body blast workout will consist of 3 rounds with a 60-second rest between rounds. Before we start, let's warm up the muscles. We'll do some arm circles and shoulder rolls to get loose, followed by a few jumping jacks to get the heart rate up. Ready? Let's go. Start with forward arm circles and then backward arm circles. Next up is shoulder rolls. We will do 15 seconds forward and 15 seconds backward. We will finish the warm-up with some jumping jacks to get the heart rate up and the blood flowing. Now that we are warmed up, we are ready for the workout. Warming up is essential for any workout as it primes your body and limits risk of injury. First up, we're starting with the classic push-up. This targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Keep your body in a straight line, core tight, and lower down with control. Let's hit 10 to 15 reps. Modify on your knees if you need to. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great work. Keep that form tight and we'll move on. Now we're hitting the back and biceps with pull-ups. If you don't have a bar, you can do inverted rows under a sturdy table. Let's aim for 10 to 12 reps. Pull strong and lower slow. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, we've got dips to hit those triceps and shoulders. You can do them on a chair, a bench, or on any elevated surface. Keep your elbows close to your body, and lower until your arms are at 90 degrees. Let's go for 10 to 12 reps. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to work the core, chest, and shoulders with plank to push up. Start in the plank position, lower yourself down onto your right forearm, and then onto your left forearm. Push back up to your hands and push-up position. We'll do 10 reps. Keep that back straight and avoid arching. Let's get it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To finish round 1, we're working the lower back and shoulders with a Superman hold. Lie flat on your stomach and lift your arms and legs off the ground. Squeeze and hold for 30 seconds. Let's fly. Great job completing round 1. Take 60 seconds to rest, grab some water, and we'll repeat 2 more rounds for a total of 3. Stick with it, your upper body is going to feel amazing after this. And that's it. A quick, intense upper body workout in just 20 minutes. If you're feeling up for more, you can always add an extra round or 2. Be sure to stretch afterward, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this workout. Subscribe for more calisthenics routines, and leave a comment letting me know what you would like to focus on. Thanks for training with me today, and remember, your body is your best tool. See you next time, tribe.